Hi folks, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this great pre-owned unit that we got. It's a 2015 Coachmen Freedom Express. It's a 242 RBS model. Nice thing about this unit, the slide has a topper on it, which is nice. It's got a great big pass-through storage. Take a peek at that. Huge amount of storage for a smaller trailer. And let's walk in and check it out. This one, it's nice because it has two doors. You can enter to the back and it takes you into the bathroom. We're going to come in here through the bedroom slash dinette. What's nice about this unit with the slide, it's a long slide, the whole length of the unit. Gives you a lot of room in here. A lot of units this size, they're not going to have a couch and a dinette. Some people like the dinette on this side. You can pop open that great big window, talk to the folks outside at the picnic table because that's where all the action's happening. Back here we got a nice queen bed area, nice little nightstands, plugs on each side, good closet on each side, lots of overhead storage. Great little dinette here as well, great counter space. And if you walk to the back here, you got a nice little bathroom that's got everything covered that you need. And like I said, it's got that second door, which is nice. So depending on where you're at your campsite, you can kind of enter this unit on each side. It's really a neat little unit for pre-owned, and it's in great shape. It looks nice. Whoever had it took really nice care of it. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other pre-owned unit or any unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me Big Sal a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.